Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're making barbecue fried chicken wings. If you're ready to learn this recipe, you're in the right place. We have a treat for you. So let's go over the ingredients. Let's chop up everything, guys, making it simple and easy. So we're gonna start off by marinating our chicken wings with some Pepsi. Yes, you heard me right, Pepsi. So you must be asking yourself, why add the Pepsi? Well, the Pepsi make the meat tender, plus it adds that caramel flavor. So to season the wings, we're adding some Creole chicken seasoning. We have some all-purpose chicken seasoning. And we also have some seasoning salt. We're just being very generous. We're just gonna toss this up. Alright, so this is the flour that we're gonna use to coat the chicken. We're gonna be coating them very light, so we're using a small amount of flour. We're adding in a pinch of salt and some all-purpose seasoning. Now we're gonna go ahead and fry all of this. Okay, now that the oil is hot, you're gonna go ahead and add the wings. And remember, we're not fully coating the wings, and we're gonna be cooking them for about 50 to 70% because we're gonna finish them in the oven. I'm gonna remove these from the fire and set them aside. Then I'm gonna work on the next batch while I make the sauce. So let's get these out of the fire. We don't want them to cook too much because remember, we're gonna pop them in the oven for a little while. Alright, so for the barbecue sauce, we're using some ketchup, some brown sugar. We're also adding in some soy sauce and some meat seasoning. This is a Jamaican meat seasoning. Let's combine everything together. Alright, so this is what we're gonna use to coat the wings before we pop them in the oven. Now this part of it is very important and it's very simple at the same time. So in a large mixing bowl, you're going to combine the wings with the barbecue sauce. You're just going to go ahead and toss that around, make sure all the wings are coated with this lovely, rich, thick, dark barbecue sauce. We're going to splat it all over it, man. Toss it up and then we're going to place it onto our grease tray and then put it in the oven to bake for about 10 minutes. Make sure that the oven is already hot. Bam! So yo, this is what the finished product looks like. We pop them out of the oven and we sprinkling some freshly chopped parsley to it. If you don't have no parsley, you can add whatever you want to it, but my wings are done. Let me tell you guys, they were so soft and so tender. I had these with some buttered potato wedges. Best, easiest recipe. This is the barbecue fried chicken wings. If you like the video, remember to like, share, and to subscribe. I'm Alex the Feel Good Chef.